This is how to chat with us. Go to your phone or PC browser and search 𝗵𝗲𝗲. Select any search term, then you'll see a WhatsApp logo. Click on it, paste your number there, or install 𝗵𝗲𝗲's 3D app. Then chat with us for links and more support. Thank you.